How to send money on Google Pay. There are a lot of ways to send money on Google Pay. However, we're going to talk about the most popular one, which is through your QR code. First, you want to simply open the Google Wallet application, and inside the Google Wallet app, you'd be able to see this kind of homepage. On your homepage, you want to simply tap on scan any QR code over here. By doing so, you'd be able to see a page which will look something like this. Here, if you want to receive money, you'd be able to show this QR code to others. However, if you are making any kinds of payment or sending money, you want to simply tap on scan QR code at the bottom of this QR code over here. By doing so, your back camera will open. What you want to do is you want to simply scan the QR code of the recipient. After that, you'll be able to see a page which will look something like this. Here, you want to simply select the amount that you want to send and tap on pay over here. By doing so, you'll have successfully sent money on Google Pay. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.